In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the language Submagic uses for captions or translations. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tell Submagic which language your video is in so your captions come out accurate and ready to share. First, open your browser and log in to submagic.co. You'll land on your dashboard where all the captioning tools live. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you plan to use for this project, and keep the tab open so the upload and processing can complete without interruptions. Next, click Generate Captions. This is the main workspace where you'll upload your media and set the language options. Think of this page as your control center. You bring the video, and Submagic handles the transcription and timing. Now upload your video. You can drag and drop the file or use the upload button to browse your computer. It helps to use a file with clear audio and minimal background noise, since cleaner sound usually produces better captions. If your video is long, give it a moment to finish uploading before moving on. You'll know it's ready once the upload completes in the interface. Here's the most important part. Look for the drop-down labeled Source Language. This tells Submagic which language is spoken in your video. Choosing it correctly helps the system understand accents, vocabulary, and punctuation cues. Select the language of your choice from the list. If your video uses a specific dialect or regional form, pick the closest available option. If your content includes multiple languages, select the one spoken for most of the runtime. This step matters not only for captions, but also for translations, because a correct source language leads to more accurate translated subtitles later. Once you've set the source language, click Generate Captions. Submagic will process the audio, line up the text with the timeline, and create captions for you. Processing time depends on the length and complexity of your video, so let it run. If you see a progress indicator, that's normal. Just keep the page active until it finishes. That's it. To recap, log into submagic.co, click Generate Captions, upload your video, choose the language from the source language dropdown, and click Generate Captions. If you ever notice the results aren't quite matching what's spoken, double check that the source language is correct and that your audio is clear. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating precise, language-aware captions with Submagic.